video, I'm going to show you how to add clickable images in Google Sites. This is one of those small but powerful tricks that can make your website much more interactive and professional. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to turn any image into a button that links directly to another page or an external site. So let's get started. First, open your Google Sites project and navigate to the page where you want to add your clickable image. On the right-hand panel, click on Insert and choose Images. You can either upload a picture from your computer or select one from Google Drive or the web. Once the image is added, you'll see it appear on your page. Next, click on the image to select it. As soon as you do, a small toolbar will appear above or below the image. Look for the chain link icon. That's the Insert Link option. Go ahead and click on it. Now, you'll have two choices. You can either paste in a full URL if you want the image to link to an external website, or you can select one of your existing Google Sites pages if you want to keep visitors within your site. Once you've entered your link, click Apply. That's it. You've just made your image clickable. To double-check, go to the preview mode using the eye icon at the top. Hover over the image, and you'll see your cursor change into a hand. When clicked, it will take you exactly where you want your visitors to go. Clickable images are super useful for creating visual navigation menus, linking to products, or simply making your site feel more dynamic and user-friendly. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to add clickable images in Google Sites. If you found this helpful, stick around for more practical tips like this and start making your website look and feel more professional today.